It's your girl Shika, and I'm back with another one. Hey, good morning, y'all. Well, today is Tuesday, September 27th. Y'all, this is the morning, a day before the hurricane about to hit. You know what I'm saying? Just dropped off my youngest daughter at school. So now let's pull back up to the house. I'm gonna sit in the car for a minute, get my thoughts together before I go in the house. So I'm trying to make it to the store, y'all. But AJ had to stay home. He done messed up his leg a little sore. Running around his house yesterday playing and, riding his little scooter, and he done fell and hurt his leg. Now, I did not know it was that sore like it is now, because he can't barely even walk on. He's too scared to walk on, so he's in the bed. So I didn't know it was that sucker. He went right to sleep and stayed asleep for the longest. So, Lord Jesus. So I'm gonna try to get to the store before Rashad go to work, because if he cannot walk, I cannot tow his behind around, and I need to go to the store and get some stuff. I'm sure that is. But anyways, I need to go to the store and get some items and stuff, because I still haven't did no grocery shopping. Once this vlog from yesterday come out, it's on private. I haven't put it up yet, but once that come out, y'all see what I was talking about, what I went through and stuff. So I didn't get to do no shopping yesterday. The stores just packed like crazy. I was in Sam's. I had to walk my ass up out of there. You know what I'm saying? See what this is in this truck over here. I don't like when cars I ain't never seen is pull up and just sit there like they crazy or something. But anyway, yeah, I had to walk up out of there, y'all. It was ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So I'm trying to go get some few little items, just in case we need to. Because I ain't do no type of grocery shopping. I ain't go shop at all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't go shop at all. Excuse my voice. I don't know. Just woke up like that. But yeah, I ain't gonna sit about 2 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, child. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a cure real fast. I want to go in Sam's, but I'm not able to get in Sam's until 10 o'clock. So I need to get in and out the store before Rashad go to work. So I'm going to leave AJ here with him. I'm going to take a cure with me. So I'm going to run in Walmart. I'm going to see, can I find some water? So I'm just going to have to go to Walmart, run that real fast, and come back out. This truck still sitting here. I don't like that. But anyways, yeah, so it was so much going on, child. I hope y'all been enjoying the vlogs. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to try to vlog whatever going on. I'm going to vlog today. Me going to the store and stuff. So, yeah. Excuse me, y'all. I know I've been looking like a hot mess. Your girl don't always look like a hot mess. But I'm telling you, it been a lot going on, y'all, child. It been a lot going on when I tell y'all. So, excuse my look. Okay, I'm gonna get myself together. I'm still working on myself. I'm gonna get myself together. Right now, I'm not focused on no wig or hair or none of that. I need to see who this is, because I don't like when people just pull it up in unknown cars. Okay, look like a white man. I don't like that. But anyways, yeah. So he must have got him a new car. I'm nosy, y'all. I gotta see who the hell around me. What's around my surroundings? Do you live over here? What? So I gotta figure that out. Yeah. But yeah, so what I'm saying. I ain't focused on getting no hair down. I don't really care about that right now. Okay, I really don't care about that. Just had to get my kids out the way, take care of other stuff, and then we'll get this head done. Okay. This head will get done, so don't focus on that. I know your girl been looking like a hot mess lately, but hey, I'm still cute though. Anyways, so y'all, yeah, let me go and hit the other 2 kids off of school. They don't want to go to school, but y'all getting up out of here today, okay? Oh, my bad. Yeah. But they getting up out of here today. Y'all finna be home the rest of the week. I need to do my last preparations, get my stuff together. And I ain't trying to be home aggravated with no damn kids. Because they get aggravated, okay? I ain't gonna lie. They get aggravated. So y'all going to school this last day. School is out tomorrow and Thursday and probably Friday. But y'all going to school the last day. I wish AJ could have got his behind up in there. But he doing all that crying and stuff. So, I could just chill with him, okay? I don't got no choice but let him stay home. But the other ones, y'all getting up out of here. Go, 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 go. But yes, I will see y'all back in a minute. Right, y'all. I finally made it to Walmart.
Yeah, we made it.
We made it to Walmart. Let's see what I could get in here. So they a little stock, but not too much. Let's see, I need to get some cereal. I don't know if I should get maybe some oatmeal. Oatmeal. People walking by. You gotta film. But I don't be liking filming people. Be trying my best, y'all, to do. Let's see. Waffle pancake. I need a pancake and waffle mix. They be making these a lot. My favorite kind. Let's see. Just your ass crazy. My niece here with me, helping me. Cereal. I hope our lights don't go out. I ain't trying to spend a lot. I need a big bag of cereal down there. These are little cereal they got here. And again, people be looking at you. What cereal y'all be eating?
They can surely reach Pichu.
They do Oreos. The $5 one. $5 Oreo, big bag.
Mom, let me see Oreos.
Oreo? What other chips y'all
No,
think?
put it on. Put it on. Yeah.
Don't mess with it again. Yeah, so we don't have no water. They just got a little jug of water right there, but no big bottles of water. AJ, hush. So on for two. The price is going up $10 for a small pack of sodas. Boy, I tell you. But we finna get the cheap brand. We finna get the cheap brand today. That's it, something. Let's see. I'm gonna get Sam Cola. Huh? Sam Cola. That's it. Strain a little bit of that up for me. I ain't gonna be able to get nothing in there. We're gonna get this. Have some drinks in the house. though. I'm trying to vlog a little bit, y'all, but we got these kids and stuff. AJ foot is messed up, y'all. He really scared to walk on his foot. Some milk. I don't do that. Shelves is getting empty. Empty. Preparing for the storm. Can't find nothing. Empty shelves.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Alright, y'all, I'm back at the house. I'm gonna do a quick mini little haul that I got to prepare for the storm tomorrow. Okay, so got like 4 boxes of these cheesy patties. I got 2 of the oatmeals, got some Hot Pockets, got a pack of these fries. I didn't really go grocery like that because I don't want to buy all that stuff and something happen. I got ham. It's popcorn season. Got these 2 bags of fries. Got some popcorn. Got 2 things, a piece of roll. Got some pepperoni. I got 2 of these sausages. I have cheese. I have some pancakes. I have some strawberry spread. I have butter, ketchup, milk. What you call them things? Bagels, blueberry bagels. 2 bread, 2 boxes of chips, box of hamburgers, patties. Just get them rice go out. Put these on the grill. Got a pack of cookies, 2 gallons of juice, 2 packs of soda. I had stuff down here. I'll pick up my daughter in a minute for school. Got some more noodles. Got some cereal. Y'all probably seen me pick that up. Got the cookie cereal. I got some goldfish. Got some more cereal here. Got a pancake and waffle mix. 2 boxes. Cause they making their own pancakes. Got some Ritz crackers. 2 packs of hot dogs. Another thing, if the lights go out, put these on the grill. Another thing of that. I got some Texas Toe 2 packs of that. Another thing, pizza roll. I told you they go to sausage. Some more cereal. This hamburger. Some old hamburger buns. Some more cereal. Waffles. And it's something else. I'm trying to think of something else. Yeah, so that's it for right now, y'all. I needed to grab more stuff, but the shelves was empty. It was very empty. I was trying to get some peanut butter and jelly. I need some water. They had the gallon spot. I want the water bottles. So I'm gonna try a couple more stores. Not a couple more stores. I'm lying. But I'm gonna try another store and try to go see can I find some at least 1 case of bottled waters. I need some bottles of water so we can have that. So yeah, they ain't really have no canned goods like that. They ain't really have nothing. The store was packed. So hopefully after the storm tomorrow, hopefully we'll be good. Maybe the store should be open. Maybe tomorrow before the storm come tomorrow night. Oh yeah, and I got this here. I don't care. I'm gonna need this through the storm because these kids are out of school. So I'm gonna need this. So they're out of school the rest of the week. So yeah, that's all for right now. Seems like we had got a lot, but all this came up, this little stuff came up to like $200 and some dollars. Food getting expensive. I think that's it. Yeah, it seemed like in the car, it seemed like we had a lot, but that is it there. Yeah, so I might try to run back to the store before the store's closed today to see what else I need when I think about it. But the store was just too packed, you know. Just couldn't do it. I had to go. Anyways, y'all, let me go get my daughter. I don't know if I'm in the vlog here yet. I need to get my daughter from school. I got about 5 minutes. Let me go get her, and I'll be back with y'all. What's up, y'all? Anyways, what's up? Coming back on here to end the vlog. I forgot to get back on here. I don't know where I left off, you guys, but I know I had to leave. I had to go run and go pick up my daughter's glasses from the glass place. They got her glasses ready. So she's glad she got those. They're actually cute. They fit her face. I thought it was going to be a little too big. And when she tried the ones on that was there, it was a little too big. But they fit perfectly. It looked nice on her. Then I had to come back and take the groceries out and run and go get for school. So yeah, the girl just cooked and I was in her lesson. Looking at my intellects, what we call it. On YouTube, trying to figure out all this stuff about the channel, about the revenue and all this stuff. Yes, yeah, I'm trying to figure all that out. But yeah, so today was a kind of day I was trying to go find some water. I went somewhere else to find some water. I went to Family Dollar. They had like 5 or 6 cases of water behind the register. So I'm like, is these for sale? And they was like, no, no, these been bought already. So I'm on the phone with Rashad. I'm like, I know they sitting out here lying to me, they been bought already. They probably the ones hiding and putting up for themselves. But really, you don't supposed to be there because I don't work in retail service, customer service like that for a long time, and we don't supposed to hide, put our stuff up. So another worker, while I'm on the phone with Rashad, walking around talking to him, telling him like, here she go. Oh no, really? It's not for us. It's the people from next door. They bought it. They asked us, can we hold it for them until they get off of work? I said, okay. But then I need some water. Can I just get one? Hey, they grabbed it soon. They got off. Soon they got the truck came down. As soon as the truck came, they grabbed it off and they got all the water and sold out like that. Which they probably do. That's probably true. I need some water. I know I got some other drinks and stuff, but I want some bottles of water. So hopefully tomorrow, Well, anyways, Rashad at work, and I told him, the company he worked with. Lay her down. Look over there. Go. Wait till I get done. Wait till I get done. I just said wait till I get done. Anyways, so I told Rashad, because the company work for, he be in the stores. I say, if he sees some, just grab us a case. Hope he found one. Grab us a case of water. We need at least 1 case, so. I haven't really been tracking the weather, nothing, but I have been seeing the clips on YouTube here and there, but it's supposed to be kind of bad, because they doing a state emergency for Temple. They telling everybody evacuate from Temple, and I'm like an hour away from Temple. We supposed to get the wind. She done woke up. We supposed to get the wind real bad. The wind is not real bad, so just keep us in prayers. I know I done been in a lot of hurricanes. We don't really get a whole lot there. Only thing affect us is the wind and the rain, and if we got trees surrounding us, that's what kind of affect us. But hopefully everything's good. I did tell Rashad earlier we need to put a board up against this window right here. That's glass window, and I don't want it to shatter or anything. So that's the only thing. Just trying to wait till this mess pass. But I'm gonna go back to the store again tomorrow and try to grab a couple more things. Some little odds and ends and stuff. I don't really want to go too shopping like that. Again, a lot of meat and stuff, because the governor already said be prepared. Because it be real bad winds that it might knock out electricity. So I don't want to go buy all that meat and all that, and then my food gets spoiled. More. Okay. But yeah, so I got a call coming in. Right back. I'm gonna finish talking on my call right now. But yeah, so that's it, y'all. In the vlog here, I'm gonna finish watching Housewives. I was watching it, catching up. The season is over now, but I haven't watched this. I'm fit to finish watching it. Fix me something to eat. I already cooked the kids something to eat. They had burgers and fries. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fix me something small, nothing too big. Okay, baby girl. Say hey. Change your diaper. Say hey, mama. You see? Such a good baby. She's a good baby. She love keep pulling on that hand stuff. But anyways, y'all, got another call coming in. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell somebody, bye for girl. Bye.